It came on again. It just turned off. What the heck? Good morning, everyone. Levi is still asleep, so it's pretty early. But I decided to take Levi to the doctor because that vlog that I posted a little while ago, he started getting sick at night and then he got a fever. And it goes and comes, so we're gonna take him. We went into the doctor's and they attended us so quickly. Like, we went in, we came out, and they had already sent the prescriptions to the Walgreens right here. So there was nothing to vlog, like literally. I think it's because they had never attended me that quickly before, and I think it's because my mom was there with me for the first time. And yeah, my mom gave him his phone, her phone. Right, Levi? Hey, Levi. Well, we came to McDonald's. Well, Levi didn't even eat anything except for the chicken. And gave me the phone again. And now we're gonna go to Walgreens. It's like across the street over there, so we can go get his medicine. And my stomach is hurting so bad. We just got home and I already gave him the medicine for the infection. And I'm just waiting a couple hours to give him the medicine for his allergies. Hey. Say bye-bye. My mom wants me to go to Walmart. I don't know if she really does want me to go or if she was just saying maybe I should go. I don't know. We're going to Walmart, right, Levi? My mom needs chicken and I need diapers for Levi. I need a little eyebrow knife thing, which is why my eyebrows are like all, yeah, crazy. But yeah. What? Okay, we're going. Okay, we made it. I got a pretty close parking spot. Huh? The fire alarm was on for like 5 seconds and then it turned off. You okay? Huh? Oh, yeah, my mom wants one of those chickens. It came on again. It just turned off. What the heck? He pointed to the ceiling. I was like, yep. ¿Qué era eso? Levi. The fire alarm came on again. I found the ones that I wanted. Levi looks too big to be in that little car thing. But we are already leaving because that's all I need. You okay? Hello? I forgot to say that when I was driving here, I saw 2 vultures just like chilling in the floor next to a tree in the shade. They were just sitting there. They weren't even eating anything on the floor or anything. They were just sitting. It was the weirdest thing. I didn't see them until I almost passed them because they were in the shadow. Right, Levi? This like perfectly explains my attitude, my personality. So does Levi's, right? I know, honey, you don't feel good. I'm sorry. I almost forgot the most important thing that I came for. Diapers. I think they're these. Yeah, I get these for him. These work so well. They never leak. Well, they never have leaked for me. Levi fell asleep, so I'm gonna go out with Sophie, Chubby, and Kit Kat. Chubby and Kit Kat. Ow! Chubby. Sophie's over there, middle of the street. And Sophie is so mean to Chubby. She bites him all the time, but he doesn't even do anything at all to her. Sophie, go! Go, Chubby, go. Ow, I almost fell. Come on. Come on, Sophie.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing, my love. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right.
I gave Chubby his food, and he's eating it really quickly. I also gave Kit Kat her food, but I put her in the front so he wouldn't eat hers. Hi, Kit Kat. She's so cute. Look at her. Look how big she is now. That's how big she is. Oh, my baby. I forgot to tell y'all that if the allergies medicine doesn't work, then we're gonna have to go back in 2 days because it might be something worse. And I freaked out and I was like, what? And she was like, it's probably allergies though. And I was like, okay. But I freaked out for a second. And he's like half awake. You okay, baby? I know, sweetheart. It's okay. I gave Levi something to drink right before he fell asleep in the car, and I'm giving him some again. And it's only been like an hour, but I'd rather him at least have something in his stomach because he doesn't want to eat. And I'm hoping that after I give him the allergies medicine in like 20 minutes, he'll eat, or he'll at least feel a little better to eat enough. Levy. Levy. What's so funny? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, my baby, he's still trying to laugh and play, even though he feels so bad. His fever's coming back again. But I'm about to give him his allergy medicine. So, yeah, hopefully that'll make him feel better. Right, Levi? Ready? You know you have to take it. I know. It doesn't taste so good, huh? A little bit more. Look, a little bit more. There. Woo! Wow, he didn't cry. That's surprising. Look what I got. I'm gonna open it for you, okay? Here you go. Careful, it's already open. He loves those little things. Levy.
Hey. Dale.
I was gonna give him a bath, but my dad beat me to it because he got a fever again and it wouldn't go down, and I did one of my eyebrows. Real skinny. What? He's fine. We came to John's house to hang out. Hi, baby.
The gun game?
Yeah.
On this first one. Come on.
Okay, we're leaving, and John already went to put Levi inside. John? Hello? Hello? Well, what's wrong?
I'm going to the store.
The store?
I
Alright.
need 7 of them.
What do you want?
Slush.
You want a slushie? Alright. What?
I said, I'm telling you so you can come with me because then there's like weirdos at night and like I don't want to go by myself.
Okay, sounds good. John's on his way to go get his slushie. John asked me if I wanted anything, and I told him that I wanted that pink and white ice cream lollipop. I don't know what it's called, but it tastes really good. And it's my favorite ice cream. And if not, then to get me those really, really hard, like, pork strips kind of thing, and they're so hard, like it's hard to break them. And that cup isn't his. I just put it there because I had nowhere else to put it, but that's not his. You okay? Oh, it's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I look so weird, but I just gave Levi some Motrin, and he seems to have calmed down a little bit because he was feeling really bad. And hopefully he'll go to bed because he did fall asleep in the car, but I had to wake him up, obviously. I am so sorry that I didn't say goodnight. I was literally laying just thinking, you okay? Like I should wake up and say goodnight at least in the pitch dark. You okay, sweetheart? It's okay. He was trying so hard to hold that coffin, but he couldn't. But I hope you guys liked the video anyway, and see you next time.